Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the parental controls on the Google Play Store. So we can just go to the Google Play Store here. You can see all these different options. Go to You, or you can just go to the profile in the top right away. Scroll down to Settings. Click on Family. Then we have the parental controls right here. Turn this on. Tap it right here. Come up with a PIN. 1111. Put OK. Type in the PIN one more time. Now this PIN is on. We can go to the different levels to restrict them. Apps and games. I think we can just go to, let's go to Teen, go to Save. So if something is rated R or NC-17 or all, you should be able to block people from accessing that content now. So just make sure it's on or off right there. And before they download that content, they're going to need that PIN to type in. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.